So today we're taking a look at the router that I currently run, guys. This is the Nighthawk X10, probably one of the best routers out right now. Now this is not going to be a full review, there's just so much to cover that I do feel like this will take a series of videos. But today I wanted to go over some of the key features and also want to tell you guys why I ended up choosing this router. So what I wanted to do, just do a quick overview of the router. I do plan on making some other videos just showing you how to set up your Plex, show you how to set up a NAS. Stay tuned for that. NAS reviews coming up, showing you guys where you can store your media, the best ways to do that. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so first things first, guys, this router is not cheap. You can get it for $400 to $500 depending where you purchase it. And also, this is a very cool looking router, can't deny it. So first of all, this is the Nighthawk X10. Like I said, let's just scroll down, take a look at some of the specs. Faster Wi-Fi, just got faster. Don't wait, you can stream your 4K. It does have Plex built in, powerful 1.7 gigahertz processor. Now this is more powerful than some of the Android boxes we're used to reviewing, guys. So if you scroll down a little bit, X10 with 802.11ac as well as AD Wi-Fi. Now this is a new technology that a lot of our devices are not using as of yet. Now wireless AD actually operates at a 60 gigahertz band, and this allows you to get download speeds up to 4.6 gigabits per second. So definitely a lot faster to the 800 megabits that we'll get from a 2.4 or the 1733 from a 5.0 gigahertz. But in most cases, this even has speeds that's faster than a wired connection. Now the only downside to the wireless AD and the range that it operates is that you won't get the coverage that you're used to getting from the 2.4 as well as 5 gigahertz. So extremely useful if you're in the same room or close proximity to the router, but when you get far away, you're gonna start losing your signal. So with the 1.7 gigahertz, you can stream up to 7 gigabits per second. Of course, it has MU-MIMO, which supports simultaneous stream. Basically, it means multiple in, multiple out, guys. So there's no queue. It doesn't have to talk to one device, then talk to the next device. It can talk to multiple devices at the same time. And of course, the antennas are very cool as well. Our external active antennas will amplify your Wi-Fi signal and maximize your range. And one thing I gotta say, guys, is that since I've had this, no issues with Wi-Fi in the house, no issues with Wi-Fi when I'm outside of the house. So these Wi-Fi antennas, they do a good job. So 11 AD, 3 times faster, 4K streaming, VR backup, 11 AD, and it shows you the comparison here, AD versus the AC. Chock full of sweet features. So definitely want to do a thorough Plex review on this setup and just show you guys the different options there. You can do it via the 2 USB ports on the side of the device, and you can also go ahead and hook up a NAS to this. So right now I'm just going to take a quick look at the device, then future videos I will go into more details about setting it up, but definitely want to do a dedicated Plex video, because I feel like if you're buying a device specifically for Plex and then you also have your router, it might be an option to just get the router, that way you can have everything in one place. So let's just go over to the box and just see what's inside. 3 main features here, of course. Ultra high HD 802.11 AD does have a 1.7 gigahertz quad core processor, which is ridiculous for a router, but helps everything process faster. Just like a little computer, the faster the processor, the better performance you're gonna get out of it. Plex media server built in, very excited about that. Can't wait to do a setup video for you guys. On the back, it does have some of the additional features. So 60 gigahertz, 802.11 AD, Plex media server, high performance active antennas, which are pretty cool. You do have the blue LEDs, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Powerful 1.7 gigahertz quad core processor, 802.11 AC quad stream plus 802.11 AD Wi-Fi, and you add these 3 up and that's how you get the 7,000. Alright, so this thing is pretty humongous. Let me just take it out of the box, put it to the side, and we'll see what else is inside of the box. Alright, so this looks like it's our quick start guide. So if you guys want to read up on it, feel free to do so. This box looks like we have our Ethernet cable, which is provided, pretty cool, and we also have our power adapter for the actual router. Nothing else in the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at the device. Alright, so let me go ahead and peel some of these plastics off. Nice looking device, premium feel. Expect nothing less from Netgear. Very well packaged as well. So like I said, these antennas, they move back and forth, left and right. Same thing with the ones on the side. On the front, we have our power button, we have our network, we have our 2.4, 5 gigahertz. We also have our 60 gigahertz. We have our guest Wi-Fi, USB 1 and 2. We have our 10G port, which is in the back of the device. And we also have our wired ports in the back, 1 through 6. We have our WPS button and our security lock. Nothing on that side. On the right side, we do have our 2 USB 3 ports. And let me just go ahead and pull this plastic off for you. And pull the other one off as well. And here we are in the back of the device. So moving from left to right, the first switch, this is our LEDs. This will control the LEDs on the front as well as on the antennas. We do have our reset button. We have our ports 1 through 6. And if you notice, ports 1 and 2, they are aggregate. So that means you can actually combine them to double your speed. You do have your port that your network will go into. So that will come from your modem. You have your 10 gigabyte port, and that is good for a lot of storage devices. NAS devices will have that. You get extremely fast speeds. And then you do have your power on off button and your power port that you actually plug into this device. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick overview of the Netgear Nighthawk X10, guys. I do plan on doing more videos. I just didn't want to do it all in one shot and make it a 40-minute video, but definitely one of those routers that if you can't afford it, it's worth it. My reason for picking this device is, one, I love the Plex integration, and I love the fact that it is future proof. It does have options for storage, so you can add USB devices, you can link that with your Plex, you can add NAS, you have your 10 gigabit port in the back, you also have the 60G network in the front, which will come in handy in the future. So with combination with that, with the overall performance and the Wi-Fi technology, made this a no-brainer for me. I know it might be overkill for a lot of you guys, but definitely I plan on keeping this guy for a long time, and worth every penny in my opinion. So please drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this device. Let me know if you want me to do any specific videos about this device. There's so much that you can do. It also has the option to integrate VPN within the router, Plex of course, and just a lot of different applications with this router. So definitely drop a comment in the comment section below. I will be putting a link if you guys are interested in purchasing it. Love to hear your thoughts. Also check out my Amazon storefront, guys. I have a lot of different networking devices that that you might want to go ahead and check out. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.